In the bustling world of project management, where sophisticated tools often come with a steep learning curve and an overwhelming array of features, Basecamp stands out as a beacon of simplicity and clarity. For those seeking a straightforward, user-friendly platform to organize their projects and foster team collaboration without the unnecessary complexities, Basecamp emerges as a compelling solution. As a project management expert, I've seen numerous tools come and go, each promising to revolutionize the way we work. However, Basecamp has carved a unique niche by focusing on the essentials, making it particularly well-suited for specific needs and team dynamics. Let's delve into what Basecamp is best for, exploring its core strengths and the scenarios where it truly shines. We'll navigate its features, understand its benefits, and ultimately determine if it's the right fit for your project management endeavors. The essence of Basecamp: simplicity and focus. At its heart, Basecamp is designed to provide a calm, organized space for teams to collaborate effectively. Unlike many project management tools that boast a plethora of advanced functionalities like Gantt charts, resource management, and intricate reporting, Basecamp deliberately adopts a minimalist approach. Its creators believe in providing just the right set of tools to get the job done without overwhelming users with unnecessary bells and whistles. This focus on simplicity translates to a remarkably intuitive interface, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical proficiency, to jump in and start managing their work. Basecamp achieves this simplicity by centralizing all project-related activities and communication within a single platform. Each project in Basecamp gets its own dedicated page, acting as a central hub for all the essential elements. This typically includes to-do lists, for breaking down projects into actionable tasks, assigning responsibilities, and setting deadlines. Message board, a dedicated space for project-specific discussions, announcements, and updates, replacing endless email threads. Docs and files, a centralized repository for storing, organizing, and sharing all project-related documents and files. Schedule, a calendar view for tracking important dates, milestones, and events. Campfire, a real-time chat feature for quick questions, informal discussions, and team banter. Automatic check-ins, a unique feature for scheduling recurring questions to gather updates from team members in a structured manner. Card table, akin to Kanban, a visual way to organize tasks and track their progress through different stages. This curated set of features addresses the core needs of most projects: task management, communication, file sharing, and scheduling. By keeping the feature set focused, Basecamp avoids the complexity that can often hinder adoption and usage in more feature-rich platforms. Ideal scenarios for Basecamp, where it excels. Given its emphasis on simplicity and collaboration, Basecamp proves to be particularly effective in several key scenarios. 1. Small to medium-sized teams. Basecamp's straightforward interface and flat-rate pricing model for the Basecamp plan, which charges per user, and the Basecamp Pro Unlimited plan, which offers unlimited users, make it an attractive option for smaller teams. These teams often need a tool that everyone can easily understand and use without extensive training. The centralized nature of Basecamp helps keep everyone on the same page, fostering a sense of shared ownership and clarity. 2. Remote teams. Effective communication is paramount for remote teams, and Basecamp excels in this area. The message boards, campfire chat, and the ability to comment directly on tasks and documents ensure that team members can stay connected and informed regardless of their location. The automatic check-in feature is also invaluable for gathering regular updates without the need for constant meetings. 3. Client collaboration. Basecamp offers a seamless way to involve clients in projects without overwhelming them with internal team discussions or unnecessary features. Clients can be invited to specific projects where they can view progress, provide feedback on documents or tasks, and stay informed. This transparency can significantly improve client relationships and streamline the feedback process. 4. Projects with clear and relatively linear workflows. Basecamp's to-do lists and schedule features are well-suited for projects where tasks can be clearly defined and progress can be tracked sequentially. While it lacks advanced features like task dependencies found in some other tools, for many projects, this level of simplicity is sufficient and even preferable. 5. Teams prioritizing communication and transparency. Basecamp's design encourages open communication and keeps all project-related information accessible to relevant team members. The message boards serve as a historical record of discussions and decisions, reducing the risk of miscommunication and ensuring everyone has the context they need. 6. Organizations seeking to reduce reliance on multiple tools. Basecamp aims to be an all-in-one platform for core project needs. By integrating task management, communication, and file sharing, it can help teams reduce their reliance on a multitude of separate tools like email, chat applications, and file storage services, leading to a more streamlined and focused workflow. 7. Educational settings. Basecamp's simplicity and ease of use make it a valuable tool for educational projects. Students and educators can use it to organize group assignments, share resources, and communicate effectively without getting bogged down in complex features. Its intuitive nature minimizes the learning curve, allowing users to focus on the project content rather than the tool itself. The benefits of choosing Basecamp. A project management expert's perspective. From my experience, the benefits of using Basecamp are numerous, particularly for the scenarios outlined above. Enhanced communication. Basecamp significantly reduces email overload by providing dedicated spaces for project-related discussions. This keeps communication organized, contextual, and easily searchable. Improved organization. Centralizing all project elements, tasks, discussions, files, and schedules in one place makes it easier for everyone to stay organized and find the information they need quickly. Increased transparency. With all project activities visible to relevant team members and clients, when invited, Basecamp fosters transparency and accountability. Everyone knows what's happening, who's responsible for what, and what the deadlines are. Simplified project management. Basecamp's focus on core features makes project management less daunting, especially for those who are new to formal project management methodologies. Easy adoption. The intuitive interface minimizes the learning curve, leading to faster adoption and higher user engagement within the team. Cost-effective for growing teams. With the Unlimited plan, the Basecamp Pro Unlimited plan offers a flat monthly fee regardless of the number of users, making it a very cost-effective solution for growing teams. Client satisfaction. Involving clients in a structured and transparent way through Basecamp can lead to better communication, fewer misunderstandings, and ultimately, higher client satisfaction. Reduced context switching. By integrating essential tools into one platform, Basecamp helps reduce the time and mental effort spent switching between different applications.